Dry contact output, what is it? The TH Elite's power relay can be connected to load up to 28 to control the on-off of the load. Here, connect a light as an example. When the relay is closed, the Elite supplies power to the load to operate. When the relay is open, the load turns off. On the top of the device, there are dry contact outputs. What's dry contact? Dry contact, also known as volt-free contact, acts as a switch, controlling the on-off state of the circuit only but not powering it. Replace your dry contact outputted traditional thermostat with TH Elite to control the combi boiler or any other systems controlled by the ordinary switch. Normally open and normally closed. Normally open is a contact that does not flow current in its normal state. Energizing it and switching it on will close the contact, causing it to allow current flow. Normally closed is a contact that flows current in its normal state. What is your application scenario of dry contact? Tell us in the comment.